Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. So this is SSLC Mathematics for English medium students, chapter wise important questions. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel, share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get started. First lesson, real number. Important question, 1 mark question. Express the number as product of its prime factor. It may be any number. Some examples are there. Just practice this. Next, 7th one, from 1 to 6 same questions. So practice that questions. Then if 200 is equal to 2 to the power of m into 5 to the power of n, then what is the value of m and n? So this type of question they may ask. Next, if the HCF and LCM of two number is 12 and 324 respectively, then find the product of two number. Then find the HCF of 52 and 130. Find the HCF of 52 and 130 by applying the prime factorization method. Then if two numbers prime factors are expressed as 18x cube y square and 20xy cube, then find their HCF. If the HCF of two number is 1, then the numbers are options. Answer is co-prime. Then LCM of co-prime is always equal to the dash. Multiple choice questions. In the given factor, 3 missing numbers is there. That missing number is, next one, answer is 21 for that. Question number 14, HCF of 3 cube into 5 and 3 square into 5 square is, then prime factorization of 98. These type of questions they'll ask. Next, prove that 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So this is the answer. How to prove? This is definitely one question will come. First one, likewise some practice questions are there, same, just practice out these two. Anyone 100% it will come. Then come to next lesson, polynomial. So linear polynomial, standard form of linear polynomial they'll ask. So if they ask for standard form of linear polynomial, you have to write ax plus b, and if they ask degree of linear polynomial, you have to write 1 and zeros is 1. Then quadratic polynomial, write the standard form of quadratic polynomial means you have to write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If they ask degree, then it is 2. If they ask number of zeros, it is 2. Degree and number of zeros are same. Then cubic polynomial, standard form of cubic polynomial they'll ask ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of cubic polynomial. Degrees is 3, number of zeros is 3. Then alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Then sum of 0, formula is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of 0, alpha into 0 is equal, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. They'll ask this one, standard form. Next one, find the zeros of this following graph. So here, in first diagram, number of zeros is 0. In second diagram, number of zeros is 1, because line how many types it cutting. So that much you have to write number of zeros. In next graph, and that parabola is cutting two x-axis into place, 2 points. Therefore, the number of zeros is 2. In last diagram, the last graph, this curve is cutting the x-axis in 3 point, x and y axis. So the number of zeros is 3. Next, 1 mark question, write the degree of the polynomial. So highest number you have to first multiply and solve the, you have it should be in the form of standard form. Then find the highest number of degree, highest number power, that is the degree. In second question, write the degree of the polynomial x to the power of 4 minus x square plus 2. So here highest power is 4, so degree of this question is 4. Write the number of zeros of the polynomial. Write the zeros of the polynomial. These are all the practice questions. Write the general form of linear polynomial, write the general form of cubic polynomial, write the quadratic polynomial, and then write the product of zeros of the polynomial. So these are all the important questions, just practice this. Then find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0 and verify the relationship. This is the answer. This type of question they'll ask, sum of 0 and product of 0. So important questions, just to practice these questions. So one example I have already solved here. So like this, here some questions are there to practice, just practice first. Next 2-mark question from this chapter. Find the quadratic polynomial of the sum and product of the zeros in 3 minus 3 and 2 respectively. Find the zeros of the polynomial. One is solved here. So this is for your practice. So next come to next lesson, pair of linear equation in two variables. So here if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then there are intersecting lines. The next one is all are equal, all three are equal means coincident line. If two are equal, one is not equal, then it is parallel lines. So if the general term of the arithmetic progression, then it should be an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then formula to find the Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So if they give first time and last time, this is the formula. So let's get start. So find 20th term of arithmetic progression 4, 7, 10 by using the formula. So this is the answer. Here some practice questions are there, just practice out. Next, find the sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression. So sum means you have to put Sn formula. So this is the one answer. Then this is for your practice. Then come to next lesson, triangles. So here you have to learn statements, this one proportionality theorems 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4. These are all the important statements and theorems. You have to learn this. You see, this is the basic proportionality theorem. This you have in your textbook also, very important theorem. Second theorem, so chapter number 6. These two are very important, just at least learn these two. This one 6 angle criterion, similarity of two triangles, this one. Then Thales theorem. Next come to next chapter, coordinate geometry. So this is distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y square. Then section formula, then midpoint formula. Three formulas are there. So how they'll ask means find the distance between the points a of 2, 6 and b of 5, 10 by using the distance formula. So you have to put like this. So this is for your convenience. I have solved two problems. So this is the practice problems, just practiced out. 100% it will come, 100%. All the questions I have given, I am giving. So all the same questions will come, but they may change the numbers, but this method is same. Next one, section formula. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points. If the ratio word will come means you have to put the section formula, that is m1 and m2, that formula. So this is section formula of a point a of 6 minus 6, 10 and b of 3, minus 8 is divided the point minus 4, 6. So this is the answer. So this is your practice questions. I am not explaining detail because video will become more longer. Next, find the coordinates of the point of the line segment joining the a of 4, minus 3 and b of 8, 5, which divides AB internally in the ratio 3:1. This type of questions they'll ask. So this is your 4 practice questions. If you do this much, you can score above 60. So solving problem by using the formula. So this type midpoint formula. So 3 type of questions they may ask: midpoint, then ratio, then distance. Next come to trigonometry. This is important ratios. You have to learn this one. Then trigonometric inverse ratio, then trigonometric ratios. This is values you have to learn. If you learn this one, this chapter will become easy for you. So this is your practice questions. Just practice it out. Then come to circles. In circles, 2 theorems are there. Both are very important. So learn both theorem also. 3 marks they'll ask, for 3 marks. So this is your theorem chapter, the circles chapter. These two are very important theorem. Don't forget to learn. Then area related to circles. Formula to find the area of circle. Answer is pi r square. Then area of semicircle. Answer is pi r square by 2. Then area of quadrant pi r square by 4. Then area of sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Then length of the arc theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Then area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. So this is the formula we use in this chapter. Then area of cube for CSA 4a square, for solid cube TSA 6a square, volume of cube is a cube. Then CSA of cuboid is 2 into BH plus HL, TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Then CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h, TSA is 2 pi r into r plus h. Then volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Then cone pi r l, pi r into l r plus l and 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then for sphere and then for hemisphere. These are the very important questions. Next come to statistics. First one, find the mean of the following 100% they'll give. So this is the answer how to solve mean. So this is for your practice. Find the mean. Next come to same this type of question they'll ask, 100% they'll ask. Then find the mode of the following data. So one is solved for you. Take screenshot if you want. One is solved for you and this is for your practice questions. I'm not explaining all because video is already it's longer, so it's become more longer. Then find the median. So one is solved for you, how to solve median. So this is one and this is for your practice. Next one, next chapter, probability. So here these are the practice questions. Do it yourself. This is so easy chapter. These are the important questions from the chapter probability. Only 12 questions are there, just practice it. This is your entire SSLC syllabus chapter is important questions. Practice all these questions and let's get prepared for your preparatory and annual exam. Stay tuned for more such updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.